This to the Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin here, and we have returned with our notes on iron. And here we have Fe 2655.895 electronic configuration argon 3d64s2. And let's now return to some notes from our notebooks here on iron. And we're going on now with the nutritional value of iron in the body. The body needs iron for growth and development. That iron is used to make hemoglobin, which is a protein with the red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. That's it, you call it a combination of hemoglobin, when the oxygen combined with the hemoglobin there, and iron is necessary to provide this efficient sort of reaction with the hemoglobin. In fact, a deficiency in iron can cause anemia and things like that, in which the red blood cells are not efficient in doing this job in oxygen carrying. Doesn't have the oxygen carrying capacity as a normal red cell, which is a erythrocyte, would have had. All right, so we have oxygen from the lungs, so all part of the body, and we have iron is used to make also myoglobin. And the myoglobin is protein that provides oxygen to muscles. And the body also needs iron to make some hormones. So more on iron here. We have excess iron stored in the body, in the liver, heart, and pancreas. So excess of iron in the body is stored in the liver, heart, and pancreas. And we have this condition called hemochromatosis, which causes the body to absorb too much iron from the food eaten. So that's this hemochromatosis. This causes the body to absorb too much iron from the food eaten. So that's malignancy, hemochromatosis. And diseases such as liver problems and heart problems and diabetes can be caused from an excess of iron. So we have excess of iron that causes malignancies, abnormalities in the body as liver problem and diabetes and heart problem. And you have iron, what is this now? Genetic called HFE, which is hereditary hemochromatosis. Hereditary hemochromatosis is caused from genes that controls the amount of iron absorbed in the body. So that's hereditary hemochromatosis. It's caused from the genes that controls the amount of iron absorbed in the body. And the HFE genes has two component mutation, the C2A2Y and the H63D. So that's going to some hereditary malignancy of hemochromatosis, which cause genes that alters the genes that controls the amount of iron absorbed in the body. All right, so that's some brief notes on hydrogen there, and some nutritional intrinsic value of iron in the body, and excess and deficiency. Both excess and deficiency is not good for the body. And we have had the most basic reaction of iron rusting in air, burning, rusting in air, with the moisture from the air to form iron oxide and iron ferric oxide and ferrous oxide. So that's it with iron. We look a bit at another element